Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. The HSK Chinese grammar we are covering today is 将要即将快要 and 就要. All these Chinese words have the meaning of be going to, be about to, soon, before long, will, or shall in English. We did a video on how to express something is going to happen by using 就要、快要、要 plus 了. Do check out the video if you are interested. 将 is an adverb and is equivalent to be about to, be going to, will, or shall in English. It is used when you want to state that something or some action will take place in the near future or much later. Besides this meaning, it also means certainly or without a doubt. 将要 and 即将 are also adverbs. They are used when you want to state something is going to happen in the near future. 即将 is a written language, and the urgency of the things happening is sooner than 将要. 将要 is both a written and a spoken language. They are similar to 快要 and 就要 in meaning. Usage-wise, there are some slight differences. Okay, let us learn how to use 将要 and 即将. 他将动身去韩国留学. 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 She is setting off to study in Korea. For this sentence, you can change 将 to 将要 or 即将, as it is stating an event that is going to happen in the near future. So you can change the sentence to 他将要动身去韩国留学 or 他即将动身去韩国留学. 他读完书以后将出去工作. 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 After she finishes her study, she will go to work. For this sentence, you can change 将 to 将要, but you cannot change it to 即将. You can say 他读完书以后将要出去工作, but you cannot say 他读完书以后即将出去工作, because 即将 expresses something is going to happen in no time or very soon. But 读完书以后 means something in the near future, but not so soon. 这款电子游戏即将面世. 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 This video game is launching soon. For this sentence, you can change 即将 to 将要 or 将, as it is stating an event that is going to happen in the near future or soon. 他们将于12月25日举行婚礼。他们将于12月25日举行婚礼。他们将于12月25日举行婚礼。They will be married on December 25th. For this sentence, you cannot change 将 to 将要 or 即将 because 将要 or 即将 cannot be followed by a noun for specific time. 将 does not have such restriction. 快要 and 就要 are both spoken languages. They are normally used together with 了 to indicate something is going to happen soon. Sentence structure for using 快要 and 就要 are subject plus 快要 plus 了 or subject plus 就要 plus 了。Sentence examples. 飞机就要起飞了。飞机就要起飞了。飞机就要起飞了。The plane is about to take off. For this sentence, you can change to the following sentences. You can say, 飞机快要起飞了 or 飞机将要起飞 or 飞机将起飞 and the last one, 飞机即将起飞。电影10分钟后就要开始了。电影10分钟后就要开始了。电影10分钟后就要开始了。The movie will start in 10 minutes time. For this sentence, you can change to 电影10分钟将开始。However, you cannot change to 快要 plus 了 or 将要 or 即将 because of the time phrase 10分钟。You cannot say 电影10分钟后快要开始了 or 电影10分钟后就要开始 or 电影10分钟后即将开始。All these are wrong sentences. The correct ways to say are 电影快要开始了 or 电影将要开始 and 电影即将开始。For more information about 快要 plus 了 and 就要 plus 了 do refer to the video link in the comment section. Fill in the blanks with 将要即将快要 and 就要 Number 1. 明天我 blank 回国了。明天我 blank 回国了。Number 2. 我 blank 毕业。我 blank 毕业。Number 3. 比赛 blank 开始了。比赛 blank 开始了。Number 4. 学校 blank 于8月15日中秋节那天举行晚会。学校 blank 于8月15日中秋节那天举行晚会。Number 5. 会议 blank 继续，会议 blank 继续。That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。